Yes, that's right. The turbo whistle was only running on 12 volts. Now it's time to double the voltage to 22 volts. The turbo whistle has a vacuum motor that's connected to a PVC pipe. The end of the PVC pipe is plugged off. A turbo whistle has been connected to the PVC pipe. So when the vacuum motor blows air into the PVC pipe, air comes out through the turbo whistle. Now it's time to test how loud it is. At 22 volts, the turbo whistle is making a bup 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 sound. Let's see if I can amplify the sound using another PVC pipe. I'll connect the PVC pipe in the input of the vacuum motor. Let's see if I can amplify that sound. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.